Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backpack vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hoover Shoulder Vac Pro Vacuum. When it comes to the best overall backpack vacuum, you can't go wrong with the Hoover Commercial Shoulder Vac Pro. It has several great features that caught our attention, including its lightweight design, 4 attachment tools for dust, crevices, and upholstery, and a hypercone filter using HEPA media to trap 99.97% of dirt, dust, and pollen. Additionally, we appreciate the 48-foot quick change cord to switch outlets less often between cleanings, as well as its compatibility for hardwood floors and low-pile carpets and rugs. It also has a decent-sized capacity of 6.4 quarts, although it's slightly smaller than other backpack vacuums on our list. While we do like the useful and convenient attachment tools, they may not always stay on well, which is something to take note of as you're cleaning and moving around. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vevor Backpack Vacuum. Backpack vacuums can certainly be an investment, often costing more than a standard vacuum. We love the Vevor Backpack Vacuum for its budget-friendly price, but it's also effective and powerful for cleaning several types of spaces. It comes with 4 cleaning tools, has 5 cleaning modes, and an extension cord of 59 feet. We also appreciate the 25-foot suction wand that reduces bending or leaning over to clean hard-to-reach areas. It's important to note that while this backpack has a low capacity of 3.6 quarts, it's still quite heavy despite its compact look. However, the HEPA filter, which is quite easy to clean using only water, and 1000 W motor give it a powerful suction while thoroughly and effectively trapping debris to keep your home or commercial space clean, all while keeping your budget low. At number 3, we have the Makita Backpack Vacuum. Cordless backpack vacuums are best for those who don't want the risk of tripping over a cord and who want the convenience of not being connected to an outlet. The Makita lithium-ion backpack vacuum is a powerful, portable, and well-performing option. Not only do we like the 62 minutes of continuous operation, we also like the short charging time of 45 minutes or less, so you don't have to sacrifice too much downtime. There's also a built-in fan to cool the battery to make charging more efficient. Plus, the HEPA filter traps 99.97% of debris, 0.3 microns and larger, which are the smallest and most challenging particles to capture. While it may seem that a lithium-ion battery would add weight, this backpack vacuum only weighs 10 pounds. However, it has a lower capacity of just half a gallon. If you're looking for something efficient and lightweight that's not meant for heavy-duty cleaning, then this is the one for you. At number 2, we have the Prolux 2.0 Bagless Backpack Vacuum. For smaller spaces such as apartments, condos, and single offices, we recommend going with our pick for the best lightweight backpack vacuum. We appreciate the sleek and compact design. It almost looks like a retro jetpack, especially since it only weighs 9 pounds. It comes with 2 batteries, each with a runtime of half an hour, as well as a self-cleaning filter, washable HEPA filter, and insulated brushless motors. Lastly, we love the padded straps, which offer extra comfort and adjustability for all body types. Despite having the lowest capacity on our list, 0.64 liters, we think this cordless and lightweight product is perfect for smaller spaces. It's also the best backpack vacuum for those who prioritize comfort while maintaining efficiency and don't mind splurging on an efficient cleaning tool. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell BigGreen High Filtration Backpack Vacuum. Since backpack vacuums are meant to fit on your back, their capacity tends to be on the smaller side. If you want something larger that's still lightweight, we recommend the Bissell BigGreen Commercial High Filtration Backpack Vacuum. The 50-foot cord allows for freedom of motion, while the waist belt keeps it in place if you need to bend down. We also appreciate the long wand to get into hard-to-reach crevices and corners, such as air vents, and the twist-off lid that simplifies emptying the canister. While this backpack vacuum does have a built-in heat sensor for protection when the bag is full, it can still get hot. It's also important to note that it doesn't come with additional accessories and tools. With some extra caution though, we think this can be an excellent option for anyone who doesn't want to empty out their backpack vacuums frequently. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.